Hello beautiful, and welcome to my channel. So my name is Claudia and I'll be teaching you how to do a perfect liner today, or a perfect eyeliner to be more correct. So for this video, it's not going to be super long. I just want it to be simple and short, so I'm not going to tell you all about my favorite liners and all of that jazz. What I'm going to do is I'm going to list them down below and why I like them so much. And for this look, you can use whatever liner you want. It doesn't have to be any special one, but I'm going to be using just a normal liquid eyeliner in a pen format because this is the easiest thing, and I feel a lot of people tend to start with these. So this is how you're gonna start. Just place your mirror like this in front of you. Don't place it underneath, don't place it on top, place it in front of you, like really straight in front of you. And then with your pen, start just giving it like tiny strokes. What you can also do is you can stamp this on if you want to. So instead of stroking it like I'm doing, just stamp it on like this. Okay, and then when I've done this part right here, just stamp it on. It's not perfect at all. I will just go in and I will do my inner corner. So what you want to achieve is you want to achieve a thicker outer part and a thinner inner part. Also pay attention to how I'm holding my pen, because I'm not holding it this close up, because you can see a lot more and you're not pressing it on your face. Sometimes you can almost be shaking a little bit when it's too close up. And there you go. You just want to go back and forth, and it's better that you start smaller and increase it so that it becomes thicker. In the end, I like to just take my pen and just drag it outwards just here, just so it extends it without getting too thick. Now we're moving on to the wing part. So the wing part is the part where people actually struggle. You want to take your pen, you want to angle it from this part up towards your eyebrow. So like this. So imagine this being your line, and this is the same angle you're gonna keep your line in. So I'm gonna measure my eyebrow, and then I have this one right here, and we're just gonna draw a line. And there we have a line. And then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Measure it towards our eyebrow. It's like almost like you're extending your bottom waterline upwards. So think of it like your bottom waterline, your eyebrow, and then draw a line. And then you just want to look in your mirror and see, are they about the same length, or are one too far up and one too far down? And then if you just mess up, just remove it and do it again. And remember, the further out you do the liner, the thicker you're gonna make it, okay? So if you make it like outwards here, then it's gonna be really thick inwards right here. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna grab your liner, because we just made two straight lines, and you can see that they're pretty much similar. Of course, your eyes have different heights and different sizes and everything, so you're never gonna get them exactly symmetrical. So you're gonna grab your liner, and then you're gonna drag it from the tip right here and connect it with the line you did along your lash line. And then we're gonna fill it in. My eyes are kind of like wrinkled just underneath it, which means that I have these tiny little bubbles. And what I'll do is I'll just raise my brows like this, and then I'll paint in to fix it. And you can see that one is pretty much perfect, but I would like it a little bit sharper, but we're gonna come to that. But now I'm gonna show you another way to do your liner. What you can do is you can grab your finger and you can take it like this. So you stretch the skin on your eye, and this is just so that it becomes like, the precision is a lot easier. You're not gonna get all those, like you can see on this eye that I have the tiny holes because I have wrinkles just around my eyes, which means that when I draw it, wrinkles just making it a little bit wavy. So you want to drag your eye, and then you still want to do the same technique that you did here. You want to connect it with this part right here. Now you can see that I have a line, but I want to fill it in and I want to perfect it. But you can also see that you get kind of two different results using this. This one is a little bit of a softer curve, while this one just becomes a little bit more harsher because you're using the stretching technique. What you want to do now is you just want to perfect it. If you have anything that you feel like this is not right, then just fix it up. And there you pretty much have it, a way to do a perfect liner. I know it can seem hard, and I know it's frustrating when it doesn't go the way you want it, when you do one and then you do the other one thicker, and then you just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We've all been there. It's all been horrible. It is not easy getting the perfect wing liner, and especially if you want to make it thicker or smaller or whatever. And also what I want you to know is that a lot of eyeliners actually have some sort of concealer. So for example, what I would do now, if I have the time, of course, I would go in with a brush. I would actually perfect my eyeliner using this brush. But I'm just gonna grab the tiniest amount of my concealer and I'm just gonna draw underneath it. You can almost instantly see that it becomes like, it's even more straight now than it was before. It's a light color underneath it that brightens it up, that makes it look a little bit better. Okay, beautiful. So I've just popped on my lashes, and what I wanted to tell you, because I didn't tell you that before, is that if you're using false lashes, what you want to do afterwards, you want to grab your liner again, and then you just want to pretty much paint the lashes, because you get the glue on there, and sometimes you can it can pull the skin just a little bit, which makes it look a little bit funny. And then so you just go back in with your eyeliner, you close your eyes, and you pretty much just paint on top of the lashes, even on the lashes where you have the glue. So you're pretty much hiding all the imperfections so that it's melting in with the rest of your eyeliner. Okay, beautiful. So that was pretty much everything I have for today. I really hope that you found this video helpful, especially since this is pretty much just how to do a liquid eyeliner in the smartest way possible. And I hope that you follow my steps and that it turned out exactly like you wanted to. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know how to end this video, so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, then make sure to subscribe now, and also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And if you're wondering anything, just pop a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer it. And I'm really looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!